Thank you, Brandon. Well, it's been a week since we first brought you the findings of methane gas leaking at explosive levels from idle oil wells near a community. The day after the story aired, the state alerted residents of the leaks and began community forums to address public health concerns. But the work does not stop there. Today, 23 ABC's Vonnie Patino joined the state inspectors for an update on those readings and brings us the latest.
Metal poles like this one are indicators of where there is a well. And in this plot of land next to two up-and-coming communities, they're pretty much everywhere. Today, inspectors from various state agencies came down to Bakersfield to get an updated reading on the methane levels.
The ones closest to the homes are thankfully at a very minimal to unreadable level, so we're very comfortable making sure that those aren't leaking anymore.
Cesar Aguirre, the community advocate that first rang the bell on this issue, says now they are moving on to looking at wells on the north side of the properties nearby. He joined inspectors from the state agencies CalGEM and CARB, the California Air Resources Board, Wednesday morning to look at those readings. And to better understand exactly what they were doing, we spoke with the chief of the enforcement division with CARB.
Methane coming out of wells can also be associated with other gases that come out in lower concentrations, some of which contribute to the formation of smog and some of which also can be toxic.
He explains that aside from the environmental concern for greenhouse gases, some additional gases can be considered chronic carcinogens.
We don't want wells leaking in close proximity to where people live. The folks in the community have an expectation that they not be impacted by these industrial sources, even if they're near their houses. So we're trying to figure that out.
And although the focus is on the Morningstar community at the moment, there are idle oil wells all over Kern County. That's why CalGEM has compiled that data and created an interactive map found online, so you can also check if there's one near your home. You can find that linked on our website, turn223.com. In Northeast Bakersfield, Vonnie Patino, 23 ABC News, connecting you.